up? It's your boy Gears of Snore. It's Monday, December 30th. It's like 50 something degrees. We're going for a ride. If you like my channels and videos, please leave a comment or give it the thumbs up. Helps the little man out here. Cutting through the lovely Richfield Park here, as always. It is windy as all hell, so I will save you the highway footage on the way to Monksville, because even with me editing the sound, I think it's gonna be too noisy. But I'll bring you guys back in a little bit. Yeah, funny story. The reason why they call this the Garden State Parkway is because at any given moment it's a parking lot. Always traffic right in this stretch. I'll bring you back in a little bit. Alrighty. Just came down Skyline Drive on the Freedom Ripper 5000 here with the deluxe brother package. I usually try to get up here to Skyline Drive in Monksville Reservoir once before it gets cold. This is a cool ride. If you're coming from New York City or something, you could just Route 4 to 208 to 287, get off Skyline Drive. And Monksville Reservoir is a nice stop off if you want to take some pictures. Oh, the water's still a little frozen here. Let's see if you can see that. That drought's pretty bad still. It'll probably be out the second weekend after New Year's. Hope everybody had a nice New Year's. You can actually too, you'll see when I make a left, when I turn in Monksville, if you go straight on that road, you can take that road all around the back. There's horses and stuff, and when you come to the fork in the road, take a left. It'll leave you at the bottom of Greenwood Lake Turnpike, right by the diner there. Yeah, we've had a pretty bad drought. Doesn't look too bad now, but I mean that was full last summer. Way up ahead, this was on fire a couple months ago, pretty bad. Bad enough that they had to bring helicopters in to throw water on top of the fire. And everything was so dry from not having rain for like, what they say, 2 or 3 months. It's just odd, because I remember the summer started off rain. I'm just hoping this isn't that snowy winter. I was so depressed the other weekend I couldn't ride. I was out in the garage drinking some Busch Lights with the Brother Master 5000 here. Finally got to a point I was so sad I sat in the tank and was turning the throttle, making motorcycle noises. I'll tell you this too, if you're looking for a good set of grips for your motorcycle, these Avon memory foam grips, phenomenal. Very comfortable. Take a left up here, pull in Monksville, get some pictures for the gram. Passed a couple bikes today. I'm glad other people have the same idea. Probably unnecessary to have to go that wide, but what are you gonna do? Oh, yeah. Let's go take a look at Monksville. A guy out there on a boat fishing. Huh. The water's got to be pretty cold. It's all the information on Monksville Reservoir. It's dedicated October 7th, 1987. Holds 7 billion gallons of water, over 505 acres. Oh, wow. Just talking to this dude Jake here with the Triumph Bobber. Cool freaking bike, man. Really cool. Started getting a little nipply. I was like, alright, man. I'm heading back to the old Bergen County. Dude on the bike here, what's up, man? But if you made it this far, I thank you for watching. I drop every Sunday around 4 o'clock, except for Sunday, December 29th, because someone fell asleep.